Guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Pictory AI for shirts. But before you continue, don't forget to subscribe for our channel for more Pictory AI tutorials. So head over to Google, type in Pictory AI shirts and click on the first link. So here click on get started for free. So you need to log in with your account. Here to start using the shirts generator of Pictory AI. So we'll have to log into your account, click on the create or analytics panel button here on the top right, click on it, choose a 960 format, and here just click your brand, select your brand. So make sure you check these grids here on sentence, line breaks, etc. And just now let's go to generate video. Set this will generate video shorts with this text on it. So this text will generate some video resources for you made by Pictory AI, and just to make the full video for you. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.